Hey, excuse me.
Yes?
What's your name?
My name is Kim.
Tim. Listen, I'm sorry for bothering you, but you are like so fine. I just had to.
You finer. Hey, how about you put your number in my phone?
I was just thinking, maybe we could link up sometime, probably go see a movie or something.
How about we make a movie?
What?
I said, how about we make a movie?
You want me to take you out to eat or something?
How about you eat me?
Why you talking like that? That's like not your role. Like, that's what a man supposed to do.
How about you roll me on the bed?
Hey, I'm just head home.
How about you give me head at home?
Yo, why you
standing so far? Come here. What, you nervous?
Hey, I don't like how this feel.
Honest hell. Come here.
Want to take me on a date first?
I'm trying to take you to the bed.
Yo, just calm down, yo.
You like that?